Hey, how's it going? It's Michael Cruz from succeedwithmichael.com, and there's a good chance you want to know how is the best way to make money online, especially if you're starting out. Well, more on that coming up next. Okay, so before I share the secret to your online success, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming, information, upcoming value that I provide almost on a daily basis. And so yeah, it also liking this video and subscribing to the channel actually helps support this channel. It helps it grow. It helps more people get exposed to it. So do me a favor, go ahead and like the video and let's get to it. So if you're starting out and you truly want to know what's the best way to make money online, well, let me tell you. The first thing you're going to need a niche, right? You're going to choose a niche that is profitable, right? Then the second thing you're going to need products, right? You're going to need products that solves the problems that people are having in that niche. Let me give you an example. So if you choose a niche that has to do with how about losing weight? Let's go with that. If somebody, if there's a niche of losing weight, people that want to lose that belly fat, right? And you want to focus on a specific people. Let's say men that wants to lose that belly fat, that beer belly, right? Then you're gonna need you're gonna need products. If you want to make money, you're gonna need products that truly helps those people, lose weight, right? You're gonna need products that's gonna solve the problem that those people are having, right? And you can actually promote these products on the internet easily once you learn the skills, okay? So those are the two things you're gonna need to make money online, okay? And that's really the best way. Now, when you're starting out, you might not even have products. You might not even know how to pick a niche, right? You might not even have any information on how to get this done, okay? So what is your best way to make money online when you don't have these things in place? Well, my friend, the information is affiliate marketing, right? That right there is the big secret, you know? And the reality is that there is no secret, really. It's just pretty much finding products out there that people already created and just offering those products in your chosen niche, right? You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Most of my success online has been through affiliate marketing because I don't have to really worry about creating products. I just go out there, grab some products that I know that's gonna solve a problem, something that is quality, and then I just pretty much promote those products on the internet, and guess what? I make commissions. So you can do the same thing too. You can do the same thing too. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically you're selling other people's products. You're getting paid for selling other people's products. The problem is that there are so many things out there. So to help you find a good affiliate marketing program, make sure that you find a program that has integrity, right? It has the right people. It have quality products that solves problems. Also, you want to make sure that this affiliate program has tracking software, tracking tools, so you can track where your sales, where your people are coming from. Because once you go through that journey, you're going to learn about traffic. What is traffic? It's simply eyeballs. So remember when I told you you chose a niche, right? That niche of people are already on the internet looking for solutions to the problem. The example I gave you, there's people looking for way to lose their belly fat, right? And they're typing on Google. Maybe they're going on YouTube, like you are, searching for solutions. Maybe they're on Facebook in groups, looking for solutions to flatten that belly, right? And I'm just giving you an example. There are other people that are searching for other type of solutions, maybe money problems. They want to make money just like you want to as well. So your job is to really get your solution in front of those people that are already searching for it. And this is actually the number one skill you're going to learn, is driving traffic or eyeballs, visitors, people on the internet to your solution, because they need it. They're already looking for it. So if you have a solution, your job is to put that solution in front of the people they're already looking for. And this is how you really make money online. It will be the best way. And again, the best way it will be through affiliate marketing, because with affiliate marketing, you don't have to make your own products. You don't have to create your own websites. You don't have to even worry about customer service or customer support, because when you become affiliated with a company, the company will handle all of that for you. All you got to do is focusing on is driving traffic into the links that the company gives you, that with those links, that's where they're going to access their products, is going to solve their problem. Okay, so hope that makes sense. That's actually the big secret. As you can see, there was no big secret. It's affiliate marketing. So if you want to know what is my #1 recommendation to start making money online starting today, go ahead and click the link below this video and fill out the details and check out that free training. At least learn more about it, and if you feel that it's a good fit, go ahead and get started. Okay, so again, Michael de la Cruz. If you got value from this, go ahead and leave me the comments, and we'll see you on the next time. Thanks for tuning in. Bye bye.